Do you have a message to other real estate agents looking at iFoundAgent or considering a new platform or considering our platform? Like, do you have any um, messages to them or advice?
Well, I mean, the proof's in the pudding. I mean, it's gotten me lots of business. And yeah, it's a little work intensive to begin with because you have to set all that stuff up. And I don't know, are you still doing that? You'll do the setup for them?
We do. We don't charge for them. The charge or I guess the fee is already built into the platinum package.
Might not get overnight business, but um, it'll pay off in the end. Once they start opening up those things, then, sooner or later, someone's going to want to sell their house or they're going to want to buy a house or someone is going to be moving into their area that they know or wherever. And so you'll start to get phone calls. So, um, you're always looking for something that works. And I guess I'm got to tell you that this is working. So it's not like a lead generator. It's that you get Mickey Mouse in Anaheim, things like that. But this is not that thing. These are real customers. These are your previous customers. So you want to stay in front of them.